obviously that essence though, like he said.
Is there anything laying there, or is that just a clump of snow?
God!
Still lives right there, ain't it?
And the kids are standing out here looking where it landed, and then this one rolled. There's some more trees falling down yonder, Chris, I can hear them.
Huh?
There was some fell down yonder, I can hear them, and they took off that way. going. I have to get a copy of this. Looks like a blizzard, don't it, the way it's blowing. You get some good shots of it. I'll make you a copy of that.
The doors.
Replace the door. Windshield.
I don't know what it does to the windshield.
Windshield wiper.
Yeah, that tree looks like it's cracked up there. That tree. See? Look, man, look.
Yeah, I see it.
Think that's my fault?
Get the corner of the house. It's deep out here, I'll tell you that. Woo. Is it this deep down at your house?
Tell them about these trees.
You know, the one back there failed. And I called them about that. Glad the kids was all right. That's the main thing. I come running out, hollered and asked them, was they okay? So they took off running across the yard when that thing fell. That's ain't it, Merle?
Yes.
It
Pretty rough out there.
didn't total it, but it makes you sick.